Early stopping in PyTorch. I tried to implement an early stopping function to avoid my neural network model overfit. I'm pretty sure that the logic is fine, but for some reason, it doesn't work. I want it when the validation loss is greater than the training loss over some epochs, the early stopping function returns true. But it returns false all the time, even though the validation loss becomes a lot greater than the training loss. Could you see where is the problem, please? Early stopping function. Calling the function during the training. Edit the train and validation loss. Edit 2.
The problem with your implementation is that whenever you call early_stopping, the counter is reinitialized with 0. Here is working solution using an OO-oriented approach with _call_ and _init_ instead. Call it like that. Example. Output.
Although at Carol's response solves your problem sufficiently and elegantly, I want to provide an alternative early stopping criterion that is arguably better. Your early stopping criterion is based on how much, and for how long, the validation loss diverges from the training loss. This will break when the validation loss is indeed decreasing but is generally not close enough to the training loss. The goal of training a model is to encourage the reduction of validation loss and not the reduction in the gap between training loss and validation loss. Hence, I would argue that a better early stopping criterion would be watch for the trend in validation loss alone, i.e., if the training is not resulting in lowering of the validation loss, then terminate it. Here's an example implementation. Here's how you'd use it.